Let's take a look at what's next to add to our fitter plate. And so if you notice, we got the both through holes here, and we've got the 4 notches. And so the last thing that I see here is if you look at the edges, that they're rounded here. And in our drawing, as it is right now, we have these hard corners, so we want to round those. And so right now we're in the 3D model tab, and you can see that you have fillet here, but we don't have a solid object yet. You can still, this feature is also available in the sketch window. So we're going to go back into edit sketch mode. And so now that you see that we're in the sketch tab, here's the fillet feature right here. So let's go ahead and choose this, and the size, the radius of our fillet is going to be 10 millimeters. Okay? So let's start with this corner. And when you're using this feature in the sketch mode, you want to click the 2 edges that contain the corner that you want to fillet. So we want to round this one out here. And so we want to click this edge and this edge, and so it applies the fillet to the corner that's in between them. So let's go do all 4. This one here, here. All right. Done with that. Okay, so I think that is it. That's everything. That's all the features on this fitter plate. Let's go ahead and finish the sketch, and let's extrude this. Click extrude, and we want this to be 8 millimeters. Now, one thing I'm going to show you is that when you're extruding, you have to make sure you specify the area that you want to extrude. Notice right now nothing is popping out because there's a few different closed regions. You can only extrude closed regions. So here's a closed region right here. I can extrude this, or I can extrude this part, or I can extrude this area here. And this is the area that we want. So let's left click here, and that's the area that extrudes. And so it looks like our part is complete. Let's take a look back here. Yep. And that is everything. So go ahead and save your work. And we're now done with the fitter plate.